In this video, we're talking about Gary Vaynerchuk and all the reasons why he's a good person. Gary Vaynerchuk is just a cool guy. He helps a lot. He consistently drops value all the time. I saw him in Brazil. He dropped value there. Everywhere he goes, he drops value. He's a very good person, and he cannot hide that fact at all. I remember when I first started driving rideshare in 2018, Gary was talking about do everything possible for your audience. Everything that Gary says, I apply to rideshare and it works awesome. So if everything, the audience is the rider. Everything that Gary said, I applied to the rider and it worked perfectly. If you take care of the rider, then you're, as the driver, you're automatically taken care of. That's just the way it works. Like right now, I listen to Gary Vaynerchuk content all the time, like every day. And I'm in the valley of the shadow of death right now. I wrote a piece on Medium. I'll post a link in the description. And that's exactly how it is for me right now. I'm in the valley of the shadow of death. And on top of that problem, now I have health problems, and it makes that problem really bad, even more so than it already was. So I just continue to do what Gary says to do. I've gone from creating and posting a quality video every week to creating and posting a quality video every day. And I post on LinkedIn, I post on TikTok, I post it everywhere. So if I'm going to get through this problem in my life right now, it's because of Gary Vaynerchuk helped me. Gary curses a lot. He curses on stage and I do not care. And the public does not care either. I looked at his net worth and he's worth over $200 million right now. That's a really big number. So the population loves Gary Vaynerchuk also. The thing about Gary that I don't understand is that he is never angry. He never gets angry at anything. If people say bad things about him, he talks about being grateful all the time. I never have seen Gary Vaynerchuk at all be angry. And people jab at him all the time, and I don't understand that because he's just a good guy. He always does good things. I just don't understand how anyone could be mad at Gary or angry towards Gary or say anything bad about Gary Vaynerchuk. He's just a good dude. He always is really good. I don't understand how anybody could be mean to him ever. He always just tells you exactly how to do things to create revenue. Whether or not those things work, they take time, is what I'm figuring out. And I'm out of time. I have a health problem also. So everything that he says probably does work, but I'm out of time. I saw him this morning. He was talking about when he did an interview with ESPN back in the day. ESPN gave him $5,000 and he was like, that blew him up. $5,000 was a lot of money to him. And I completely understand that because $5,000 is a crazy lot of money to me, especially right now. I have learned so much from Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary's just a good dude. Just there's no way about it. There's no way around it. He's just an awesome guy. He has no idea about this video. I'm just posting it and recording it and filming it on completely my own. Gary Vaynerchuk has no idea that I'm posting this at all. I mean, he did say create content, and post it, so that's what I'm doing. Every time Gary writes a book, I always grab it right up and read it right away. So his last book was Day Trading Attention, so I grabbed that up and read it right away. Right now, I'm rereading that book. It's crazy awesome. So I project that I'll be finished with it later on sometime this week. Right now, it is June 23rd, 2025. Which is a Monday, by the way. so I'm super sick right now. But if I'm ever gonna get through this, it's gonna be from what I learned from Gary Vaynerchuk. If you got anything at all of value from this particular video, please like and subscribe or follow or do whatever. It will help me out a lot. It won't cost you anything.